रणबीर कपूर के लिए अभी बहुत सारे फ्लिंग्स हैं।
लगता है रणबीर के स्टार्स रहे नॉट सो स्ट्रॉन्ग, बिकॉज इमरान खान से लेकर दीपिका और सोनम ने भी किया उन पर वॉर। वहीं वंस गुड फ्रेंड्स इमरान एंड रणबीर में भी टेंशन था एंड दे आर नो लॉन्गर एक दूसरे के यार। जहाँ थी उनकी लव लाइफ इन फुल ब्लूम, वहीं सभी गर्लफ्रेंड्स को खोकर his life seemed to be full of gloom. Will Ranbir make box office magic again with rock stars? Will he ever settle down, or will he continue being a flirt forever?
That's because this year his Venus has been a little weak on the personal front, and if we look at the cards also, I think his Surya, that is his sun planet, has been very strong, which is why his career has seen a growth, but his personal life has not seen that much of a growth.
Because, you know, all his girlfriends are taking pot shots at him, and he had this problem on Karan Johar's show.
Yes.
Then Imran Khan and he were supposed to be best buddies, and suddenly that's not,
Yes.
there anymore. And Katrina ke saath bhi kuch tha, pata nahi, samajh nahi aa raha. He's had a lot of flings that have kind of not worked out for whatever reasons, and
Yeah.
it's like Deepika and Sonam have just ripped him apart. Why was he under so much attack?
Because that time his Saturn was pretty weak.
तो उससे क्या होता
And
है?
Shani से क्या होता है? Shani और Mangal, this combination might have been going on at that time during his, during that chat show. So maybe those stars were not favoring him. So what happens is that you become a target. And it's not intentional, but it's because your stars are a little weak at that moment. It's like you're a soft target. So I think that's what happened. रणबीर कपूर के जो stars है, उनमें class भी है. उनका Jupiter बहुत strong है. I see a lot of fame for him in the coming year.
Well, but naturally, look at his genes.
Yes, of course. And I think his fame will grow, and even his coming films will do pretty well. And his main film that's coming, I think...
Rockstar. What about Rockstar?
I think the chances of that film doing very well are excellent. And in case also the film doesn't do as well as he hopes, he's definitely going to get a lot of critical acclaim for it in a good way. So I think he's going to be very appreciated.
So every which way, professionally, the year looks good for
Yes, yes.
Ranbir.
And I think he's going to bag a very big film between March and April.
What about a chick? Will he bag a hot chick?
Well, I don't see any sort of a commitment in 2011. There could be something coming around 2012 because he's got the card of the lovers, and that might be a time where he's ready for a relationship. लेकिन अभी वो तैयार नहीं.
मुनीशा, आप कह रही हैं कि रणबीर की प्रायोरिटीज उनकी पर्सनल लाइफ नहीं है, एंड ही इज नॉट लुकिंग फॉर एनी कमिटमेंट राइट नाउ, लुकिंग टू सेटल डाउन. लेकिन रणबीर ने रिसेंटली एक इंटरव्यू में कहा था कि बाय द टाइम ही इज 30 ही वांट्स टू हैव किड्स एंड ही वांट्स टू बी ऑल सेटल्ड, एंड अपना घर तक डिस्क्राइब कर रहे थे उसमें वो कैसा होगा. तो दैट काइंड ऑफ कॉन्ट्रडिक्ट्स,
Yeah, but I think 2012 में, like I said, जो 2012 में लवर्स कार्ड आया है उनके लिए, तो 2012 में वो किसी भी तरह का कमिटमेंट दे सकते हैं. शादी का कमिटमेंट भी हो सकता है, रिलेशनशिप का, लव कमिटमेंट. रणबीर कपूर अचानक शादी कर सकता है. His decision won't be very long planned. He'll suddenly decide and वो बहुत जल्द शादी करेंगे, and that will be a spontaneous thing. It won't be like he'll be dating someone for a very long time and फिर उसी से शादी करेंगे. He might even just have an arranged marriage.
just like his breakups, suddenly he's there and suddenly he's not there.
Yes, with him it's very spontaneous, and like I said, 2012 उनके लिए बहुत अच्छा रहेगा on the personal front. So that could be the year he makes a decision, which is a time where he becomes close to 30.
Yes, actually.
Yes.
So he's going as planned.
He's going as planned, and he's very clear. The next 1 year वो अपने career के ऊपर concentrate करना चाहते हैं. इस बीच में अगर कोई मिल गया who he feels या ये बहुत अच्छी लड़की है and I can spend my life with her, then definitely वो सोचेंगे. But I don't see marriage for him before 2012.
Okay, so Katrina's out of the picture, that means.
Yes, I
She
think.
better go back to Salman Khan.
Well, that is more advisable for her because I truly feel that they make a very good couple.